start. This is a practical period, and you should practice yourself well. Now, the activity 1 is add the verbs in brackets. Put them in the present simple or present continuous. That means if you take your hand to speak about the present, take your hand to speak about the present. The present is four parts. First one is present simple, the verb 1. The second one, present continuous. The third one, present perfect. The fourth one is present perfect continuous. The first one is verb with s, with he, she, it, and the other pronouns, the verb without anything. The second, present continuous structures with is, am, are, verb, and ing. The third one has or have with the past participle, the verb 3. The fourth one is has and have with been, with verb, with ing. This is the fourth present part. Okay, the fourth present part. Now we need 1 and 2, the present and the present continuous. I will read it, then I will give you the answer. Okay? Now, during the flight to Gaza, different things are happening on the plane. Number 1, Nidal wants some water, so he is asking the flight attendant, المضيفة يعني attendant, flight attendant, one and ask. Number 2, Nidal space, her lunch, she space, chicken, enjoy and laugh. Okay, try to answer by yourself. This is not difficult. Okay. Number 3, a husband and wife near Nidal and Hadil space, Palestine for a holiday. They also space to complete landing cards, visit and meet. Okay. Number 4, the husband space to get his pen and he space in his jacket pocket. 1, look. Number 5, their 2 babies space, that space they are hungry, cry, يبكي يعني cry and mean. Okay. Here is the answer. Try to write them well. Okay. Number 1 wants is asking. Number 2 is enjoying, loves. Number 3 are visiting, needs. Number 4 wants is looking. Number 5 are crying, يبكي. Means. Okay, here is the answer. Try to write it correctly. Stop the video when you want to write, to be able to write it correctly, and the time help you to stop the video. See my video 2 or 3 times and try to learn it by your heart. يعني احفظ because I don't know in the future we will meeting or not. to meet each other. That's need many things to do, and this will be very difficult. So try to learn, okay? In the future I will explain it again and repeat it again, okay? But now try to learn, okay? Yalla. We will move to another activity. Here is I see a schedule. Work in pairs. Look at the information screen and ask and answer questions. Use the present continuous and the present simple. Use verbs from the box. Now I will give the verb meaning and try to guess with me, okay? Okay. Fly to. What's the meaning of fly to? يطير إلى. Here. يطير إلى. من مكان إلى مكان. Okay. Go to. يذهب إلى. Leave for. يغادر إلى. Arrive from. Coming to us. Okay. Come from. أتى من. Get here from. احصل عليها من هناك. يعني بده يسافر من مصر بنقول له get here from Egypt. Okay. Get here from Egypt. This is very carefully and give exactly meaning. Okay, exactly meaning. The schedule here: departure, مغادر. arrivals, القادم. departures المغادرين, arrivals القادمين. Now flight to time. flight يعني خروج الطائرة، to ذهابها إلى أو محطها، time الوقت. Here is the name of the flights, and here is the name of, at the middle, the name of the places, and arrivals the same, the time of the flight, the same, the arrival. First the name of the flights, and the middle the name of the places, the time of the flight. Now you should make conversation and make small dialogue with your friends because it is work in pairs. Student 1, flight, Palestinian flight 124 is flying to Gaza. Soon, isn't it? Use the question tag. Number B, that's right. Number 4, or student A. So what time does it take off? Student B, it takes off at 10:30. حوالي 10 ساعات ونص. The second part, student B, fly BR British. BR071 is getting here from London soon, isn't it? Student A, that's right. Student B, go. So what time does it land? student A, it lands at 9:55. Now write about her student. I'm so sorry, some problem with the video, so let's complete the period at part 3, activity 3, period 9. Write about Anwar's travels next week. Use the present continuous and present simple. Monday, travel from Sacramento to San Francisco by bus. Stay with my friends there. Bus leaves 8:30, arrive 10 o'clock, and so on. Here is how to write. On Monday, Anwar is traveling from Sacramento to San Francisco by bus, and he then complete. The bus leaves at 8:30 and it's then complete. I will give you the answers. Here is the answer. Try to write it. Try to write it carefully and with correct dictation. Here is the answer. I'm so sorry. Period 9, period 6, 8, 9. Here is the answer. Here, under my mouse. Answers. I will read it. On Monday, he is traveling from Sacramento to San Francisco by bus, and he is staying with a friend there. The bus leaves at 8:30 and arrives at 10 o'clock. On Wednesday, he is going to Los Angeles by train. He is spending 2 days there. The train goes at 7:30 and gets there at 10:30. On Friday, he is flying to New York and he is visiting his cousins there. The plane leaves at 8:45 and arrives at 6:30. On Sunday, he is driving to the airport by taxi and he is flying home to Palestine. The flight takes off at 11:30 and lands at 7:45 the next morning. This is the answer. Try to write it. I will give you some minutes to write it. Okay? Try to stop the video. Now, before I close, here you can write some composition and send it for me to correct for you. Please try to make sentences more and more, because if you try to write by yourself sentences, I know you will make some mistakes and big mistakes, but never mind. If you work, make mistakes, at the last you will stop the mistakes and the writing will be very careful and very good. Thank you very much for your attention. Let's see you in period 10. Goodbye.